back, y'all. This is week number 17 of our project. We are volunteers for the Brevard County Zoo and the Restore Our Shores Foundation. We're raising oysters and clams on our dock out here that the foundation will eventually use to place throughout the Indian River Lagoon to help improve the water quality and restore ecosystems in the lagoon. And we got a, obviously you can tell here, we got a windy kind of stormy day here. We actually have some rains coming, so we did the clam bed probably 5 days ago, right? We swept it out. So I don't think we need to do anything to the clams. You'll see the clams are down here in the water. They stay in the water permanently. But the oysters, we need to pull out once a week and let them sit out for up to 8 hours to mimic a low tide to try and kill off any predators that might be in there. So we're gonna pull all of our oyster cages out. Usually when it's calm, we can see cool stuff here in the river, but it's not a calm day on the river today. In fact, our neighbors were having some work on their dock over here, and the barge that was doing the work had to leave because it got so rough. So, but we can pull the oysters out at least and give them a look. Let me hand the camera to you, and I'll take a pair of these gloves. Actually, you only need one glove. Pull all these out. See what we got. So we obviously need more habitats. These are getting real full. You asked for some more, right?
Yes.
Okay, good.
They're
you
coming.
said they're coming like this week, right?
Yeah.
What are they doing?
They're pulling up the clam bags and they're replacing them in different bags.
Oh my gosh. 60 bags. Holy cow.
I don't see anything. Oh, there's a sheep's head.
That's not a sheep's head.
What is it?
I don't know what it is. Let's see if I can get it to come out this way.
Oh, you got a sheep's head.
There we go. Look at all that. So here's some of the predators. We got some little toadfish here, a sheep's head. I'm not sure what this guy is right there. That's a beautiful little fish. Oh, they'd make good bait, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, and look at this guy in here.
Oh, he's a big one.
He is a big one.
He's stuck in there?
He might be. Come on, buddy. Get you out. Going this way. Get him to the front here. Now, watch out. That's a pretty fish right there. We gotta help him. There we go. There we go.
Little crabs in there too.
That's a beautiful fish right there. All right, we'll come back. We'll come back. Let's pull all these up. Oh, we got one on top.
Oh, there you go.
There's more in there. Look at all the sheep's head in there.
Oh my gosh, they're just feasting.
All over the place in here, aren't they?
Everything
Some
wants
little
to
crabs.
eat oysters.
More sheep's head. Holy cow, that's a lot of them. Well, there's another one. He just swam into the cage as I pulled it up. They're all over the place in here. Oh, look at that fish.
That's a different one.
Oh, that fish is killer.
Yeah, it is.
It's like a little spot tail, little redfish almost. All right, come on, get it. Oh, there's all sorts of good stuff coming out. Here's another sheep's head. I see another sheep's head in there. There he is. Oh my gosh, I think this is the record for the most sheep's head we've caught in our cage.
They must have just like put some eggs in there or something.
Look at them all.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, swim out of there. Maybe I can get him to swim out. Jeez, did you see all those?
Yeah.
Oh, this cage almost opened on me there. That would have been bad. Just another little sheep's
So
head in
heavy.
there. There he is.
They're gonna break these cages just because of the weight in them.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
We have a sheep's head hatchery here.
Yeah, we do. Oh my gosh, there's tons of them.
There are. All right. I'll tell you what, y'all. We got a lot of work to do here. Let's maybe put the camera down for a minute. I'm gonna start going through these cages. Oh my gosh, look at them all. I'm trying to save as many of these fish. They are predators, but I don't here we go.
Oh, that's a big one.
I see another one in here. Gotta go. All right, yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and scrub all these cages down, try and get all the predators out, and we'll get back with everybody when we're done.
All right.
All right, so sheep's head continue to come out. Same with these toadfish, but we have some shrimp in here too. Some more
toadfish.
Yeah, and some more toadfish. There's just all sorts of stuff. Oh my gosh. They're just loaded with, there's some more toadfish right there. Work their way to the bottom. Wait a minute. Some like sea lice or something there. Alright. Sheep's head. Alright, we'll keep cleaning these cages. We'll get back with you in just a minute. Alright, so we pulled one of these out so you can see what do we say, week 17, I think?
Yep.
So they're not 17 weeks old. We actually got them when they were like a month old, right?
Yeah, so they're about 21 weeks.
Yeah, but you can see, here they are.
Not full grown yet, though.
They're looking good, though.
They are. They're
There's the old oyster shell that they seeded them on. Right there. They are looking good, though. Sweet. All right, I got to fit this back in here like a puzzle piece.
I know.
All right.
They're growing out the cage.
Yeah, they are. So, pretty much finished scrubbing them. These two cages in the back here, they've just been the dirtiest we've had the whole time.
They're the shallowest.
Yeah, but these all cleaned up pretty good. I think we got as many of those sheep's head. Oh, here's another crab. Just came out. Where is he?
Big guy.
Where'd he go?
Right there.
There he is. Look at that cage. There he is. Oh, what a beautiful crab, though. Holy cow.
We've found lots of those guys, haven't we?
Yeah. There's a teeny little crab right there. Another sheep's head. Sheep's head right there. All right, mister, you gotta go. Come on, I'm not trying to hurt you. I'm trying to help you. Come on. There we go. All right. All right, so I guess we pretty much finished cleaning them all, but I guess I'm gonna lift them all up one more time before we walk into the house to make sure there's nothing under there that's still trying to get away. But, all right, like I said, we don't have to do anything to the clam bed today. Usually we'll sweep it off and take some readings, but we did it a couple days ago, and it's so wild out here today. We're just not going to get in the water. So, but we do a video every week where we check in on these guys and show you their progress, so you can check back if you're interested. If you have any questions or comments about the project or our oysters or clams here, you can contact Restore Our Shores at restoreourshores.org or post down below. We've been doing this a couple years, so we could try and answer your questions as best we can. Till next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.